Good morning, children. God bless you all. Children, today I'm going to explain you lesson number 5, division from your maths reader book. Okay, children? So please take out your maths reader book and open to page number 106. Okay? And this is the chapter for your final exam. So please write down final exam on top and please put today's date, which is 6th of October. Okay, children? Now I'm going to start with this chapter, and the written assignment of this work is already sent to you. And I hope you all have written it very neatly in your Maths 1 CW notebook. Please draw the margin on each page before writing anything. Children, now let me explain you what is division. Division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts, and it is one of the 4 basic operations of arithmetic, which gives a fair result of sharing. Now children, here it's written division as repeated subtraction. Okay, division as repeated subtraction. Let us subtract 2 repeatedly from 8 for 4 times. Can you see this, children? This is 8 and we are dividing 2 continuously from 8 for 4 times. What do you get? Nothing remains at last. When you divide 2 4 times from 8, you can see there is nothing left. Okay, in the last there is nothing left. Now we can express this as the following division fact. 8 divided by 2 will give you 4. 8 divided by 2 will give you 4. Here you can say that when you subtract 2 from 8 for the 4 times, like first time, second time, third time and fourth time, in the last you will get nothing. So this is called division. Okay, so division is a repeated subtraction of the same number. Let me explain it to you with this. This is called grouping. Birds in groups. Some birds are flying in the sky. Can you see this picture here? 5 and 5. 10 birds are here. How many birds are there in each group? Can you see this? There are 10 birds in the sky. 5 here and 5 here. This is the first group. This is the second group. They are in 2 groups. First group, second group. Now, when you can just find out, there are 5 birds in each group. 10 groups, 10 birds when you divide by 2. And 2 groups are there and there are 10 birds. The answer comes to 5 birds in each group. 5 and 5. Okay, 10 divided by 2 will give you 5. Count and fill in the blanks. Bananas in groups. There are 24 bananas. Can you see this picture here, children? These are the bananas and there are 24 bananas. Okay, 8 bananas in each group and there are 3 groups. There are 24 bananas and they are in 3 groups. 1, 2 and 3. There are 8 bananas in each group. When you divide 24 by 3, you will get 8 as the answer. So in each group, there are 8 bananas. Dogs in groups. Can you see this picture here, children? There are 16 dogs. 4, 4, 4, 4. And there are 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you divide 16 by 4, you will get 4 dogs in each group. Okay, children, 16 divided by 4 will give you 4 dogs in each group. Now turn your page. Division as sharing. Let us share balloons. 3 children buy 6 balloons. There are 3 children, they buy 6 balloons. They want to share them equally and each child gets 2 balloons. 2, 2, 2 comes to 6. Okay. We say 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. And we can write this as 6 divided by 3 will give you 2. 6 divided by 3 will give you 2. This is the symbol of division. Children, you can see this minus sign with 2 dots here. One is up and one is down. This is the symbol of division. We can use this. We always use this symbol for division. 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. Let us share kites. See the kites here, children. Here are 12 kites. We divided them in 2 groups. First group, second group, and there are 12 kites. Each group has 6 kites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We say 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6. When you divide 12 kites into 2 groups, you will get 6 kites in each group. And we can write it down as 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6. Okay, children? Now, boat sharing. 12 boats are shared equally among 3 pools gives 4 boats in each pool. We say 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4, and we can write it down as 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. Now turn your page, children. Here are a few sums of division. Today we are going to do them. Division without remainder. Without remainder means when nothing is left down here. Nothing is left as the answer. Divide 10 by 2. You have to make this division sign and you have to write 2 outside here because this is the smaller number, and the greater number you have to write it here, which is 10. You have to divide 10 by 2. And can you see this? 2 is here and 10 is written inside. Okay, now this is ones and this is tens. 1 is smaller than 2. So you have to take both the numbers here. 2 5s are 10. You have to say the table of 2 in your mind and you have to write 2 5s are 10. And as a result, you will get 0 minus 0 is 0 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So the answer here is 0. 10 divided by 2 will give you 5. This is the answer, which is 5. Okay. Now do the following divisions. Now we will do these following divisions. You have to divide 40 by 8. Okay, you have to divide 40 by 8. Again, you have to say the table of 8 in your mind. 8 5s are 40. So when you write 40 here below, 0 minus 0 is 0 and 4 minus 4 is 0 again. So you are getting nothing as a remainder. But the answer to this question is 5. This is called the quotient, which is 5. Now here you have to divide 63 by 9. Okay, children, so 9 7s are 63. Again, you will get nothing as the answer. And this 7 is the quotient. Okay, 9 7s are 63. Again, you have to divide here 42 by 6. You have to again say the table of 6 in your mind. 6 7s are 42. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, this is the answer to this question. Again, 27 divided by 3. Okay, 3 9s are 27. You have to say the table of 3 in your mind. 3 9s are 27 and you will get 0 0. Moving on to next, 36 divided by 4. 4 9s are 36. 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay. 64 divided by 8. 8, you have to say the table of 8 in your mind. 8 8s are 64 and you will get 64 minus 64 is again 0. 56 divided by 7. 7 8s are 56. Children, for these sums you all need to learn the tables by heart. Okay, 7 8s are 56. 56 minus 56 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. We have already done subtraction sum, so you all be knowing this. 24 divided by 8. So now say the table of 8 in your mind. 8 3s are 24. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 is the quotient of this sum. 35 divided by 7. 7 5s are 35. 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. 40 divided by 5. Say the table of 5 in your mind. 5 8s are 40. 40 minus 40 comes to 0. 36 divided by 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. So 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now 72 divided by 9. Say the table of 9 in your mind until you reach 72. 9 8s are 72. Okay, 2 minus 2 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. So 9 8s are 72. 40 divided by 10. 10 4s are 40. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. So answer to this question is 4. 10 4s are 40. 63 divided by 7. 7 9s are 63. Children, you should be knowing the table of 7 before this doing this sum. 7 9s are 63. 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. Moving on to next, 36 divided by 9. 9 4s are 36. 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. 9 4s are 36. 40 divided by 5 comes to 5 8s are 40. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. So the answer to this is 5 8s are 40. So we have finished this sum, children. Please practice these sums in your maths rough notebook. Okay. And tomorrow we will be doing the sums with remainder. Tomorrow I will do the sums, division sums with remainder. Okay, till then you practice this and maintain social distance, stay at home, stay safe, study well, and keep watching the videos sent by the school daily. Thank you, children.